How to recover my TikTok deleted videos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile, simply it will lead us to the profile section of your own account. And as you do that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on the hamburger icon, you'll be able to see the option of settings and privacy. So you can simply tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, all you need to do is simply scroll down and you can see the option of report a problem. So you do not have a direct option to recover the deleted TikTok videos, rather you have to report a problem. So after you tap on report a problem, it will take us to a new page. So here you just have to make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection so that you can report a problem to the TikTok community. So simply what you need to do is tap on search for an issue over here. So you can just tap on it, or you can directly just interact with the team of TikTok. So you can just scroll down or just wait for a while until it loads you, and after that you can just tap on back over here. I'm going to search for other options, so let me just go down and tap on chat with us. And as you do that, what you can simply do is you can have a chat with the TikTok support team. So you can just press on the chat option, and here you can just tap on sending a message that you have accidentally deleted a TikTok video of yours and you would want to recover it. So mention your email ID and your username, and the team of TikTok will contact you and help you solve the issue within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.